In this video, I'll explain how the lane keep assist works. As part of the driver-assisted systems, the lane keep assist uses a camera up front to detect lane markings and gives you feedback whenever you come too close to a lane's edge. In some countries, by law, lane keep assist is activated as soon as you start your car. Now, this is especially helpful on long trips and when you're tired, as it provides an extra set of eyes on the road. Now, as a reminder, this is a driver assistance system, so you still have full control over your Porsche. It merely executes small corrections, which you can override. Now let's look at how to set it up and how it works. The assisted systems can be found in the PCM or accessed via the control stalk at the left of the steering wheel. The lane keep assist can quickly be accessed using this button at the bottom of the control stalk. You can always check the system's status in the instrument cluster. See this icon over there? Green says that it is active. So it recognizes at least one lane in the instrument cluster.
Just the white-grayish icon shows it is passive, means the system cannot recognize any lane. The system can only become active when you are driving above 65 kilometers per hour.
Off means, well, off. Red means it's executing a steering correction right now. And yellow means the system is currently unavailable. Let's go over how the lane keep assist works. Whenever the system detects that you're at risk of leaving the lane unintentionally, in other words, without indicating, it can make a corrective intervention to keep the vehicle in the current lane. The first time this happens, it might feel a bit surprising. However, since this is an assistance system, you can always override the intervention. After all, you remain the driver. In the instrument cluster, the lane keep assist icon will illuminate red when it is actively working to keep you in the lane. Additionally, if you have the center tube set to display the road with the assist screen, it will also display an animation of this feature. Parallel to the icon changing its color, you can also get an acoustic warning sound. This is optional and you can toggle it on or off in the PCM. For that, go to Assistance, Additional Functions, and toggle Lane Departure Warning. Lane Keep Assist also monitors your steering wheel behavior, which is very helpful if you have to make a long and tiring trip. Now, let's talk about the Lane Keep Assist's interaction with other driver support systems. Depending on your country, Lane Keep Assist comes together with the emergency stop function. When it is enabled, the emergency stop function kicks in if a driver emergency is detected. For example, in case you lose consciousness. If the driver continues to ignore the warnings from the lane keep assist to take over steering control, the emergency stop function is designed to slow down your car to a safe stop and to set up an emergency call. It can be activated by the lane keep assist, the active lane keeping, or if the system detects a driver emergency. You can toggle emergency stop in car, assistance, and additional functions.
Another tip, the emergency stop function can also be triggered via a long press on the hazard warning light button by the passenger.
Now, there are a few interactions of the lane keep assist with other assistance systems. First, active lane keeping, which is part of the optional Porsche InnoDrive.
That is called Drive Assist from model year 2026 onwards.
While the lane keep assist will only slightly correct you in case you veer off too far from the lane, the active lane keeping function will actively support you to stay in the lane through continuous steering interventions. With active lane keeping already steering the vehicle itself, the lane keep assist won't make any additional steering interventions, but it will give you a warning sound when you cross lane markings. With an activated lane change assist, the system will both make steering wheel corrections and give you acoustic warnings, even if you cross a lane using your indicator. Let's talk about when you can use the lane keep assist. The system feels more comfortable in environments such as highways and well-developed federal and country roads. It is therefore designed to recognize lanes by lines and helps you stay inside them. It won't prevent collisions with physical lane boundaries, like concrete barriers, as those aren't lines, so you'll need to keep an eye on those yourself. Furthermore, it's set to function within a speed range of between 65 and 250 km per hour, or roughly 40 to 150 miles per hour. Thank you for watching. Have fun trying out your lane keep assist, and I'll see you in the next video.